Okay, now back to the Trump presidency. President Trump delivers his State of the Union address to a joint session of Congress and the American people tonight. House Democrats made their closing arguments in the president's Senate impeachment trial Monday. The vote to convict or acquit him is expected tomorrow. Democratic lawmakers in South Florida are eager to hear what the president says tonight, but they're also getting ready to react.
CBS 4's Joan Murray is in Sunrise with the story.
The President of the United States!
When President Trump delivers his State of the Union address, Cooper City's 15-year-old Emily Kaufman will be in the gallery, a guest of Democratic Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz. Kaufman is a diabetic. Her insulin costs $1,200 a month, covered now by insurance.
I am a teenager still, so I know that money and financials aren't the things that cross my mind every 5 minutes, but I know that they cross my mom's mind, and I'm 15 and I know my mom wants me to have the world, but I know for her it's still a struggle.
With Kaufman at her side, Wasserman Schultz wants to draw attention to the spiraling cost of medicine and threats to health care coverage.
The administration is literally fighting in court to have the Affordable Care Act declared unconstitutional. We have millions of Americans, 20 million Americans, who've been able to gain access to quality, affordable health care because of the Affordable Care Act, who didn't have health care coverage before.
Wasserman Schultz is a champion of the Lower Prescription Drug Cost Act that has already passed the House but is stalled in the Senate.
It would tie the cost of drugs here to the cost that they have negotiated in other countries. It would also cap the out-of-pocket costs for senior citizens on Medicare at $2,000, and it would make sure that we have coverage for vision care, dental care, and hearing care for our seniors as well.
At the beginning of the year, the cost of hundreds of prescription drugs went up, but still there is no word on when the Senate may take up this legislation that could potentially lead to lower prescription costs for all of South Florida. In Sunrise, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.